What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. If you saw the thumbnail and you saw the title, then you know what we're doing today. That is right, guys, we are going back to the track, and as you can see here, I've got my trusty hoodie because the cold front finally came in. Alrighty, guys, so first of all, I want to apologize for the wind noise. It is pretty windy today, and as you guys have seen in previous videos, my microphone has started to cause some issues, so I'm not using the microphone and I'm using just the audio from the GoPro. But I hope it still comes through and you guys can hear me clearly. Today the cold front finally came in, and I also got a slight revision from my tuner to try to help me get a better launch from the light, to help me get that 60 foot down and hopefully get better time. We also have really good weather. The DA earlier was actually at about 200 feet, which is 2,000 feet better than it was last week. I'm really excited, and I think we are going to be able to run our fastest time yet. Now, the car ran an 11.50 at 122.3 last week in warm weather. With the way the weather is, and it should be getting down into the high 50s tonight. The DA almost pretty much zero, maybe possibly even going negative. I'm expecting to see a big significant drop in our time and increase in our mile per hour, guys. I'm gonna try and go and say an 11.3, maybe an 11.2 is possible because of this weather, and just gonna show just how much weather and temperatures affect the way your car runs. At about maybe 124 miles per hour, so I'm thinking we're gonna gain about 1 or 2 miles an hour and drop about two tenths. So that's my prediction. Hopefully the changes help us out. And everyone keeps asking why I don't do launch control on the car, and I've tried to explain it maybe in previous videos, but the reason I do not use launch control on this modded Camaro is because when you put drag radials and all that and do the mods, the launch control actually does not function the same way. It will still pull a little bit of timing to make sure that the car can get a slight little bit of slip and take off. When you have a bone stock Camaro, launch control works great and helps you get a really good time, but on a modified car like this with drag radials, the best thing to do is try to completely eliminate anything from affecting the timing that your car is going to be seeing. Launch control and the stability track and all that, even though it's in performance, does modulate and can cut some of the timing on a takeoff. You know what? I almost forgot. Here is a startup on the car. Woo! So this is not cold. I did have to start the car a couple times to make sure the tune and everything was taken care of, but the car is ready to go. Alright, guys, sorry for the wind noise, but we are at the track finally. Got the car we just got here already teched in. I got to set up the cameras and all that, make sure the tire temperatures or tire pressures are good. I already got a big line of cars. But yeah, it is really cold, so I'm gonna put my sweater on. And get everything set up, guys, and I'll see you guys when we get our first run in. Alright, guys, we're going for our first run right away. The car got to cool down for a good 10-15 minutes, and in this weather, I mean, that's pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and start logging this thing, making sure that everything is good to go. And we have this crazy, almost looking Pro Mod RT Challenger next to us. Woo! We need to make sure that we can get a good burnout to really warm up the tires in this cold weather too, guys. guys, let's see what we do. Right off of auto like we've always been doing it.
Holy shit. Damn. The car left hard. Wow. Oh my God.
All right, guys. Right off the bat, oh my goodness. That was crazy. First pass, really crazy times. Guys, check this out. We ran an 1131 at the same mile an hour, 122.4. So pick up just a little bit, but check this out, guys. Look at our 60 foot, 1.66. That's the best 60 foot we've had ever in this car. And then obviously our ET, we dropped down 2/10. So we're at an 11.3. We have a huge headwind, guys. Right now, the wind is right at our faces down the track. So if we can get rid of that headwind, this thing will drop another half a tenth or maybe even another tenth. But right off the bat, already 1131, super happy. Very, very happy with this car, guys. 1131. Let's hope this wind dies down just a little bit. If we could die down, I think this car can easily go 11.1, 11.2 tonight.
All right, guys, so this is the second run, and this run I'm gonna be trying to see if I can get the car to run using the launch control. A lot of you guys asked about why not using launch control, so we got the time from using the same technique that I've been using, turning everything off. Now we're gonna see what the time will be when we use launch control in automatic mode for everything. So let's see how it does. Alright guys, time for launch control. Crazy good burnout. Let's see what it'll do. And launch control is very easy. You just basically hit the brakes. Hit the brakes all the way down and match the pedal.
All right, guys, so that was our launch control run, and as you guys can see, it is almost similar, but the 60 foot is a little bit slower and the ET is a little bit slower by 0.02, but the mile per hour is there. So launch control, it works and it's doing well, but I still feel like it's a lot better and feels a lot more responsive just going off of idle on everything completely off. So there you go, guys. Launch control really doesn't improve or make anything better. It just does, it actually goes a little bit slower. So we're gonna let the car cool down, even though it doesn't need too much cooling down, and we'll get back to another run here in a second. Alright guys, so we are gonna be running a ZL1. So it's a stock ZL1 on a drag radial, so we can kind of see what a modded SS does to a stock ZL1 compared to a stock ZL1.
All right, guys, we're gonna be racing this blue ZL1 in front of us. It is bone stock. It has a Rotofab intake and rear drag radials. That is it. So for all you guys, you know, that kept asking how is this car faster than a stock ZL1, well, let's find out. We've got one right here in front of us, and hopefully we can get the footage for you guys, and we'll see. just how much faster, or if it is even faster than a ZL1.
Drops the nose, lets it coast through 1459, only 63
All right, good
miles
burnout.
an hour.
We got a good burnout there. I think it's still a little cold, but it's okay. We only leave off of idle. Let's see what we do. All right, guys, we got the fastest pass yet, and we finally got, that's right, an 1129, still an 11.2 in my book, same 1.66, 60 foot, 1129 at 122.5. So the mile per hour is pretty much just a bit faster than last week when we had the worst EA, which to me is telling me that this headwind is just killing our times. But the temperature did help, because we're now running an 1129. I mean, we dropped pretty much 2 full tenths, and I guess you could, if we're not counting the, you know, the hundredths place, we dropped 3 tenths from 11.5 to 11.2. So I'm really excited about that, really happy. Again, 1129. And the ZL1 probably had some issues spinning. As you can see, look at that, 2.0 60 foot. I believe he mentioned he's gone up 1.7 or 1.8 60 foot, so he probably was not able to launch well. But even with the bad launch, you can see the mile per hour, guys. 117 and a half, 122.5. That's a huge mile per hour difference. So there you have it. My car technically is faster than a phone stock ZL1. All right, guys, I bet y'all never seen a donk with a turbo. Check this out. This dude, just listen to it right now. He's gonna come back up and okay. Check out this donk. You've never seen something like this. Just hear it. Dang. I don't know if y'all can tell from the video, but he even has a steering wheel matching his wheels. But he has no time. Just listen to this. You heard that turbo. And he just purged. I just missed it. I turned the camera off, but he just purged. He also has nitrous. Whoa! Damn. Wow, that was impressive. Got a 5.0 with full drag pack.
Drag top C6 Corvette on the left-hand side, Honda Civic on the right.
Let's see what this one does. Oh, he's got nitrous. Yeah. And check this silver one's got nitrous, guys. .4 at 127. That's really good. 10.4 at 127. That's really good. Here comes another ZL1, guys. This is a nice silver color. Looks like he's on stock tires, or probably like R888s. Let's see how this one performs. It's a brand new 2019 also, guys.
Might be stock, maybe it's got some other mods made, but it's still on, looks like street tires. Yeah, he was definitely on street tires. It is flying though. See the mile per hour? 116, so it's probably somewhat stock, burned out a whole 60 foot, so not bad. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Those were some awesome runs. The weather was great. The car ran the best it's ran in a long time. And sorry about this angle, but I think it's the only way we can get good lighting here. And man, I'm really happy and glad that it ran what it ran. And now we just have to basically go back to the drawing board. We're getting better and better, and just keep chipping at it. Every single time we come, we get faster and faster. And you know, what can I say? I'm really happy and excited about the times we ran, and I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because we come out here a lot and I love showing you guys all these drag racing videos. Till next time, guys, I hope you guys have a great one.